always nice to see the Coast Guard patrolling Haulover, especially on a rough day like today. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida, assisted by our boy Wavy Boats, who's down at the inlet getting the images. Speaking of getting the images, I hope everybody was able to see our Thanksgiving Day special, You Bring the Turkey, We'll Bring the Stuffings, featuring all the most epic bow stuffings at Haulover. It's over on our Haulover live channel. Tell you what, guys, we're actually going to give away a DJI Mavic Mini over there as well. Head over there, check this video out. I'll leave a link up above and a link in the description, so be sure to head over there and check it out and leave a comment. Wavy Boats is going to pick his favorite comment and somebody's going to win a DJI Mavic Mini. The only requirements, you have to be a subscriber over there on the Haulover live channel. Let's get this episode started though. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover is going to present a little bit of a strange situation today. I can't figure this one out. These guys are coming out of Haulover on a smaller vessel on a rough day, but for some reason these two gentlemen are wanting to stand in front of the console. I'm not quite sure why they're not backing back where it's a little bit of a softer ride. Instead, they're going to stand up here and take a beating. And this boat really is. Look at the way this is coming through. They are taking a pounding. These gentlemen are barely standing up as they're coming through the inlet. Wait a second though. Is that captain wearing a banana hammock? Oh my god. These guys don't want to be in the rear because their captain has decided to wear a Speedo. That is absolutely hilarious. These guys took the pounding of Haulover in the bow of the vessel so they didn't have to be in the rear with him. This round's going to go to Haulover Inlet. Our second vessel to do battle with Haulover is going to show us what it's like when you come running through Haulover Inlet, running hard. This Triton is absolutely killing Haulover. It is a rough day. These guys are rolling through with these triple Suzuki 300s, blasting through the inlet. This really is almost a perfect run. These guys were running the exact correct speed to keep this vessel at a very, very tight running plane. I'll tell you what, this is an easy win for the boats. Our next vessel to do battle with Haulover is going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover Inlet overmatched. This Sea Ray really didn't stand a chance from the beginning, but I'll tell you what, this boat looks familiar. I've seen this vessel in another episode where they took an absolute pounding coming through Haulover. These guys are going to run through here and they actually look pretty good till right about there. He took that big wave and all of a sudden it looks like they're going to decide this is not for them today again, and he's going to do a U-turn. I'm pretty sure the first time I ever saw him come through the inlet, probably 5 or 10 episodes back, he did the exact same thing and did the U-turn. This round right here will obviously go to Haulover Inlet as well because they're not going to have this today. Our next vessel to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to show us what it's like when you take that midnight train to Haulover. That's right, we're going to have a big midnight express come rolling through Haulover Inlet, and these guys look pretty solid as well. They've got a good running pace going here. The vessel seems to be handling it pretty good, and they're going to blast their way right into the inlet. They slowed down just a little bit here at the end, but I believe that's because there's another vessel that was kind of in their way, but don't worry, that midnight's going to overtake them and definitely take this round for the boats as well. And that's going to take us into our fifth and final round where we're going to see a small boat on a big day in Haulover. Who's going to take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? Let's see how this vessel does to go ahead and determine that outcome. I'll tell you what though, this vessel for being a smaller vessel looks pretty good. This Haulover Sports is actually running through Haulover pretty strong. This guy right here seems to have found just the right pace for this boat to go ahead and blast its way through Haulover. They're not going the fastest that we've seen anybody come through Haulover, but I'll tell you what, it's always nice when you see somebody who kind of just hits it just right like we're seeing here. They've got the right speed and the right pace, and they're going to go ahead and take the win for the boats in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet, and my channel Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos as well. And as I mentioned earlier, we're going to give away a DJI Mavic Mini over on Haulover Live, our other channel. Once again, I'll throw that link up here above again. Head over, check this video out, make a comment on it. Also, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Drop an anchor on the subscribe button.